Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the A Dor number A101-129. This is an extension rod that is used in their A101 series exit devices, exit control devices. And this is an extension rod that is used in the instance of wider doors. So let's take the item out of the packaging. Let's take some dimensional properties of it. Then we're going to look at the links below this video, and in particular the installation instructions that will really help us define what this is. So this is a piece of aluminum that's going to have a threaded end on this side, flat end on the opposite side. Diameter of the rod, 0.5. Half-inch diameter. Diameter of the threaded portion, outside diameter, 0.254. Length of the threads, I don't know that they're 1/4 but they certainly could be 1/4. Length of the threads, 0.502. 0.502 length. Length of the solid body itself, 12-inch. Okay. Now, there's a link to the cut sheet. There's a link to the product brochure. Both of those links are simply documents that will give you an overview of the A101 series overall. If you're looking for parts, and if you are just simply rebuilding a unit that has been vandalized or damaged, etc., or you're just continuing to get useful service out of the significant investment in exit device hardware, those documents probably are less valuable. However, the governing document would be the installation instructions. And in the installation instructions, and I've always really appreciated the A Dor units installation instructions, because that document literally gives you everything. How to install it, the different options of devices, and then an exploded parts drawing and calling out part numbers for every individual piece that goes with it, which I think is crucial. You know, these devices are quite costly. They're meant to last. They're meant to serve a very important purpose, and the ability to rebuild them is crucial. You know, we've got 4 different pieces going to a locksmith in Jacksonville. Staples has used these. I saw these in the Staples specifications for a very long time. You know, obviously they're used in other places. So when you open up the installation instructions, if you just searched for 129, you'll find the extension rod in Table 2, the parts table, which is page 3 of the installation instructions. And if you scroll to page 4, you're looking for part 3, and it's there. And the part 3 states that it's used on automatic units only. So you're going to take a look at Table 3 as well, which is on page 6 of the installation instructions. And you'll notice that the extension rod is not used for a 3-foot device. Okay, so what do we know about this client's device so far? Well, we know it's not 3-foot because he ordered a, extension rod, and we certainly know that it's an automatic variant of the A101 material. And in essence, the way that this is going to work is that after you cut it to length based on your door size, this is going to project out of the end of the assembly, the tailpiece assembly really, and is going to come in contact with, a perpendicular surface. When that door closes, this is going to come in contact with that perpendicular surface and then force the device to relock. This is going to be sent out long enough to handle up to a 4-foot door, so it's quite likely you're going to end up cutting this down to a certain degree. So the installation instructions are indeed handy because they give you that overview of practically everything they'll give you the overview of everything that you need to service this device. I have to tell you, the extension rod, the tailpiece itself, part 128, 129, they're not very common, but I'll tell you, the part we sell all the time is part 19, and that's the end cap. The end cap is a 026, A101 026. So it'd be pretty typical to need the end cap, in my experience. If for some reason something remains unclear from the installation instructions, I can tell you from firsthand experience that the technical support department at whoever the mother company is now, Stanley Best or Kaba, Dorma, Precision, Stanley, Best, Armador, Sargent, and Greenleaf, their technical support people are really superb, absolutely superb. Do not hesitate to contact them if there's anything that's not clear about that. They are incredibly eager, willing, capable, and desirable to help you make sure that you get a proper installation. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Armador products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog where you'll see an overview of those documents that we referred to earlier, the product brochure, product catalog, etc. Any questions on the Armador A101-129 extension rod or any other Armador product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.